In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best mini chainsaw cordless, selected for their handling, easy maneuverability, and reliable battery performance, making pruning, trimming, and small cutting tasks faster, safer, and more efficient. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Seesii 8-inch Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii 8-inch Mini Chainsaw stands out as a powerful yet compact solution for homeowners who want serious cutting performance without the bulk of a full-size chainsaw. Its 8-inch cutting capacity gives it a clear advantage over common 6-inch models, allowing you to handle thicker branches, storm debris, and small logs with confidence. Despite the larger bar, the tool remains lightweight and well-balanced, making one-handed operation comfortable during longer pruning sessions. This is especially helpful for seniors, beginners, or anyone who prefers a less tiring yard tool. The brushless motor is a major highlight, delivering noticeably higher torque while running cooler and quieter than brushed alternatives. This translates into smoother cuts, better efficiency, and a much longer tool lifespan with minimal maintenance. Battery performance is another strong point. With 2 included 4,000 mAh batteries, the chainsaw is designed for extended work, easily handling over 100 cuts on a single charge. The quick swap dual battery system ensures you're never stuck waiting mid-task, which is a big plus for productivity. Overall, the Seesii 8-inch Mini Chainsaw strikes an excellent balance between size, power, and usability. Number 2. Saker Courtyard Mini Chainsaw. The Saker Courtyard Mini Chainsaw is a compact, beginner-friendly tool designed with convenience and portability in mind. Its 6-inch cutting capacity is well-suited for light to medium yard work, such as trimming branches, cutting small trees, and general garden cleanup. High-efficiency copper motor, which delivers reliable performance for its size and helps complete cuts quickly without excessive vibration. The cordless design adds to its appeal, allowing freedom of movement around the yard without dealing with extension cords. With 2 rechargeable lithium batteries included, users can enjoy decent runtime and the flexibility to charge one battery while using the other. This makes the chainsaw practical for short, repeated tasks throughout the day. Another strong point is portability. The compact storage case keeps all accessories organized, making it easy to transport or store the tool neatly. Assembly is straightforward and quick, even for first-time users, which adds to its user-friendly nature.
Number 3. Seesii Gardening Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii Gardening Mini Chainsaw is built for users who want high performance in a compact, cordless design. Featuring a powerful 1,000-watt brushless motor, this chainsaw delivers impressive torque and fast chain speeds, making it capable of cutting through dense wood with ease. Compared to brushed motors, it runs quieter, cooler, and lasts significantly longer, which is ideal for frequent use. The 8-inch high bar greatly expands its cutting capacity, allowing it to handle thicker limbs, firewood, and storm cleanup tasks that smaller bars struggle with. Battery life is dependable, with 2 included batteries providing solid runtime and quick recharging, making it suitable for extended yard work or off-grid tasks like camping and trail maintenance. Despite its power, the chainsaw remains lightweight and ergonomically designed. Its comfortable grip and one-hand operation reduce fatigue, making it accessible for seniors, beginners, and experienced users alike. Safety is clearly a priority, with multiple protective features included, such as a safety lock, debris baffle, gloves, and goggles.
Number 4. Seesii Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw is designed to deliver fast, efficient cutting while remaining easy to handle and maintain. Its 8-inch guide bar and deeply quenched chain allow it to cut through surprisingly thick logs in seconds, making it suitable for pruning, wood cutting, and general garden maintenance. The pure copper motor provides consistent power, while the dual 21V batteries ensure strong performance and minimal downtime. One of the standout features is its focus on safety and usability. The dual trigger safety lock prevents accidental starts, and the splash guard helps protect the user from flying debris. The chainsaw is lightweight and well-balanced, making one-handed operation comfortable even for beginners. Noise levels are kept relatively low, which is a welcome feature for residential use, where loud tools can be disruptive. Maintenance is simple and cost-effective, requiring only basic chain sharpening and lubrication to keep it running smoothly for years.
The generous accessory kit adds excellent value, including spare chains, protective gear, a carrying case, and essential tools. This means users can start working right out of the box without extra purchases.
Number 5. Greenworks 24-volt Mini Chainsaw. The Greenworks 24-volt Mini Chainsaw is a lightweight, user-focused tool designed for simple and efficient cutting tasks. Weighing just over 3 pounds with a battery installed, it's exceptionally easy to maneuver, making it a great option for seniors, women, or anyone with limited strength. The 6-inch bar is ideal for pruning branches, cutting small logs, and preparing firewood for camping or backyard use. Performance is smooth and consistent thanks to Greenworks' well-engineered motor and battery system, which also offers compatibility with a wide range of other tools in the same lineup. This adds long-term value for users already invested in the Greenworks ecosystem. Safety and convenience are clearly emphasized, with features like a security lock, anti-slip handles, and protective baffles. The toolless chain tensioning system is particularly useful, allowing quick adjustments without extra tools and reducing downtime. While it's not intended for heavy-duty cutting, it excels at everyday garden maintenance and light woodwork.
And that wraps up the top 5 best mini chainsaw cordless. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.